Okay, recap for Friday the 27th of February 2026. Okay, so, and this is exactly like what I said basically. And then for yesterday's video, that we have completed our weekly objective, right? We're gonna look at previous daily low. Well, we're unlikely to visit these lows this week, right? What does that mean? We're gonna be inside our range, right? So once we've taken previous daily low out first, right? Before New York session starts. So basically at 8:30 with the news, it was obvious that we're gonna use 9:30 to pump back up. So that's why I came in to the day bullish, right? Bullish looking at what? I'm looking at something to push us higher. And on the daily, I put my eye right there, that rejection block. See, that's basically the low of the day, right? On the 4 hour, um, I didn't really mark this wick, but could be a quadrant in it. Okay, my eye was looking at that rejection book. Okay, so we can even go down to the 15, though we don't really need much higher. So we can clearly see these exact relative equal highs that we could filter down and go to the 1 minute, and we can see there's an empty gap above them. That is a perfect draw on liquidity, right? So that being a draw, being two different sessions. This is London and this is the PM session from yesterday. Makes it high kind of day, right? To just go there and run it and be the high of the day, right? This is normal, typical market. This would have happened, right? They would not leave this for Monday, right? So as you can see, like the market started going and then again, they just go back to garbage PA, right? And then we start doing this. This should have been the target for the day. This should have been the target for the day. But hey, you can do what you want to do, lots, you know? I mean, they're moving the market. You can't complain too much at this point. But yeah, so they're going to run for it on Monday. And I believe after that is where we're looking to jump lower again. Unless we run through it. See? Like, they got news might come up or something. I don't know why they held the market for today again, right? There's a lot of waiting. Like this market should have been way lower already, but there's a lot of waiting, and I'm not sure why there's a lot of waiting. What are they waiting for? What kind of news? What kind of war thing they expecting that we don't know about? What are they waiting for? Because there's too much waiting when we should been gone and starting doing things right. Some days are genuinely just being wasted like today because we go there, Monday opens up and we start shooting low. Perfect normal delivery. Why we're getting paused here is what I do not understand. Anyway, my trade, which did not matter, right, is break even at the end of the day. Market opens up and let's put the lipstick. Right? So TPs, what are they really? Well, the first TP is the initial liquidity, and the second is like them two liquidities, right? I'm not looking at anything higher because then that's just being greedy and unexpected, right? This mainly to just fill our opening range gap, right? We're looking to go all the way to fill our opening range gap and take the liquidities above for anyone that's profiting from the PM or the London session. Logical, right? Makes sense, no? What do we have under us? This is the rejection block and the quadrants of it, right? Upper quadrant, whatever. This is the opening price, so that is the rejection block. We make nicely. Okay, this is something that caught me off guard, right? I have a model for this day, and it's typical for the opening, right? Right there at 9:30 to shoot down. It always, almost always does it. It shoots down first. And I'm guessing because we just this close, we did shoot up first. But it almost always shoots down first. Let's say to the rejection block, to the upper quadrant, whatever it wants to stop at, right? and then it will reverse very aggressively, right? And then just leaving you in the dust. If you didn't get inside it, you didn't get inside it, you're cooked. It's gone. This is the first time that I see it open with relative equal lows, right? The first time. And before that, if we look at YM has an SMT, right? ES doesn't, but I took the long here again, right? Because this is normally where I take the long. Because it's like, you know what? I might want to engineer liquidity. Wrong. No. I keep getting reminded that if NQ doesn't do it, then it doesn't matter what they did. And NQ has to take the low, right? It doesn't matter what the else. Like if ES didn't take the low, fair enough, whatever. Nobody cares. NQ has to do it, right? And that's what I keep getting reminded. So once NQ now, which is weird, going up first and then going down, hitting the rejection block, reversing, right? This candle closes above, right? Wicks. I'm not gonna take that. Next candle goes down, proves that it's not gonna go lower, and then closes into this second gap. Then that's something to take, right? So by that, and because of the volatility, right? My normal me, right? I would go stop loss midpoint of that wick. I actually have to go stop loss probably all the way down here. That's how bad this volatile market. And my typical TP would just take it all the way to the high, right? That's me, right? Anyway, that's my entry. I get in, right? Boom, order block, midpoint of the what do you call it? The first presented fair value gap. Perfect. And that's why I already entered early because I want to go break even early. In no way, shape, or form, and this market is moving normally, that we basically run through the CE of this order block before getting to this high. That's why this is a good place to put. What do you call it? Break even. Guess not. What are we doing? Why did we go there? Right? Why did we need to go all the way back down past midpoint of the first presented fair value gap? Once we had all this structure to then come back and go up, like, bro, like this is some rigged system, bro, because this is not how we move, right? Like, what are we doing, bro? That is just like, hey, whatever. Phil, you can have it, bro. I don't care. Right? And we go all the way up, right? Come down here and basically make equal highs. It's just obvious that it's a retracement that's gonna go and take it. But no, we come and take it on a wick. This was the first warning sign while I'm watching this. I'm like, yeah, wrap it up for the day. I already knew it's gonna come, right? Like by just looking, I was like, okay, yeah, wrap it up, right? And then because look, what's gonna happen after that? Nope, nope, nope. We're holding a 1 hour fair value gap at the top, below, and we just constantly doing this. So once we go below here, we go fill all the way to this 5 minute fair value gap, smack all the way down, right? Then I was like, you know what? Let me take a first presented demo. Right? I know it's gonna go up back. At least it's gonna go to this high or this high. Let's take a first presentation. Boom. Right? There. That's literally my entry. I remember it because I went break even instant. So this entry, the TP of it is minimum here, right? So let's take this one. Let's take it. Almost close to my entry. My entry was here. Whatever, right? Stop loss at the low. It should never get tagged. And we should go here. Minimum, right? So that's just a whatever, right? Then once we go above here, this again, same concept. This order block, midpoint should not be touched. But let's be safe and put it at the low. Guess not. And then we go for that high. But we technically should go for that high. Guess not. We're gonna go and visit this low. Just because why not? And then we're gonna aggressively run to the high. Like, what are we doing, man? What is this garbage market? You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna basically stop trading this, or just I don't even know. I'm confused. Like, this is just genuine garbage price action. I'm gonna try to de-risk or just basically trade the least amount possible on this, because this is not funny. This is not fun. This is just garbage. It doesn't go to its supposed targets. It doesn't even let you be in your trades without smacking you out of the trade and then going and then maybe not going and then going and maybe not going and then just like boom. If you're in it, your whole account is gone, fried. You don't know what you want to short. You don't know if you're in a long. It's a whole mayhem, right? I'm good. I'm probably gonna step away for a bit more, right? I stepped away all December, stepped away all January, stepped away. I mean, start of February was nice. It's great. 10, 11, whatever winning days in a row, chilling, living life. And then we're coming back to this garbage. And like, you know what? I think I'm good. Right? I might see you lot in another 2, 3, 4 weeks or something. Because this is doodle. I'm out of here. Market recap for Friday. Peace out.